Hi, my name is Wes with Biz Technology Solutions. We're going to go ahead and start talking about Microsoft Planner. It's going to help you create new plans, collaborate on tasks, and produce better results for your business.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and dive into this. You can access Microsoft Planner at your Office 365 web portal, which would be at office.com or portal.office.com. So we'll go ahead up here to the search text field, type in Planner, and it should auto-populate. We'll select Planner. You'll be greeted with a web page. This is going to show you where to create a new plan, right in the center, but we'll select at the top left-hand corner for New Plan. We'll name this IT. You'll also see privacy options, public or private. Public would be anyone in the organization. Private, only people that are given the certain permissions. We'll select Plan. And here on the Plan page, you're going to see the default to-do list or add a new bucket. This can also be deleted if you don't want that there. We'll select New Bucket, and a bucket can be looked at in certain different ways or workflows that you utilize. It could be phases of a work plan, or it could even be a department. In this case, we'll go with a department. We'll go ahead and add a task to this bucket. And we'll assign 2 new users. And for non-members or non-administrative users, you'll get a prompt that lets you know that will now be associated with this group membership. We'll assign and add these. Go ahead and set a due date as well. And we'll add the task. Click outside of this box. Then within the actual task box, you can select it again. Get prompted with a window with a little bit more detail. And from here, you can assign further users to this task. You can also utilize the progress, priorities, and any additional notes that you have for this task. Most of the work in the task will be utilized through the checklist with bullet points. And any additional attachments that you need, you can add here, whether it's a local file, a web link, or within your SharePoint database as well. We're just going to go ahead with a local file and upload it. And what you can also do, utilize the checkbox to show on the card. What that means is, you can see this in the background, how I added it to that tasks card. And also add any comments that are needed. We'll go ahead and send it. This will create the newly edited task. We'll X out up here. So now all the details that we have, checklist, the file, here's are viewable within the card. And then we can also see up here additional tabs for charts and schedules. Go ahead and select charts. This will show you the status, the tasks, which we only have one of now, and we did set in progress, and that's showing here. It'll also show you a list of buckets and how many tasks are within those buckets. As we can see, project bucket, the one task that we created earlier, and the priority that we did change to important earlier as well within the task. And also members, which we added into that task earlier. You'll also see here, it shows the to-do task that's by default, which can be removed. And then the project task that we did create. And then once you complete it out, it will move down to the completed status here. Go ahead and select schedule. This is going to show you the calendar for all tasks that you create in a week or month view. Go back to the board. And just in case you do deprecate or just don't need an entire plan anymore, you can select the triple dots, plan settings. At the bottom of the right-hand pane, delete the plan. In this case, we're going to leave it. But that should further conclude this tutorial on Microsoft Planner, at least getting started. Thanks again.